I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and I want to show you how you can install some world-exclusive carbon fiber into the engine bay of your BMW from Masumaro. Now, the BMW F80 series, right, so the M3, M4, M2 competition, you've got your carbon fiber strut that comes down, right, across the nose of your car. Well, Masumaro has made an unbelievable carbon fiber version of this. It is so strong that if you look at some of their production videos, it shows it between two blocks and somebody's standing right in the middle and jumping up and down on it. So this is as strong as the metal. This is going to be such a great install. I cannot wait to get this into my car. I was so excited when I heard about this, and I really do believe that this is a world exclusive. I looked around. Masumaro had really taken the lead on this. They have developed all of this in-house. They've created this in-house. I haven't seen anything like this anywhere else in the world. So I definitely recommend you check them out. And I wanted to do this install for you to show you this is something you can easily do with just a little bit of time and a bunch of bolts. All right, y'all, so here we are with the new brace here, just kind of sitting in place so you can look by comparison. Here is the OEM one that's going to come out, and we're going to be taking out a whole series of bolts all the way across, plus transferring a few pieces. There's a bump stop here, there's one underneath right here, there's one right here, and so on. Now, one thing to quickly call out, make sure to check the video description because I'll have all of the OEM bolt sizes in the video description. I obviously have a dress-up kit, so my bolts are a little bit different. These are all Allens, where the defaults are primarily T30s. You look through here. These are 13 or 14 millimeter, if I remember correctly. I think these are like T25s here across the nose, T30s again. So it's going to be a little bit different, but I'll have that in the video description so you'll know what tools you need to use. But man, I am so psyched about this. This is going to be an easy install. It's just a matter of transferring all the bolts. So a couple of quick cautions while we're here, and I'm sure I'll probably call this out a couple of times. First of all, especially when you're putting these big bolts back in, as they go back into the brace, they're going in right here, make sure to do not exceed the factory spec on your torque. These are designed for the factory spec. If you just crank and crank and crank and crank on them, it'd be possible to break the metal out of the carbon fiber, and that would be bad. Don't do it. Masumaro has a warning that is included with this saying don't over tighten those, okay? So make sure not to do it. Now, my one other guide as we go through this, don't mix your bolts up. Lay out all these bolts in the exact pattern that you took them out. That's exactly what I'm going to do as you take them, so I don't mix and match. I mean, which ones went where, right? So you just don't want to pull them out and put them in a big pile unless you're really good at remembering where each bolt goes.